Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I've got some new straps to show you that you can use on your Pixel Watch 2. So let's go ahead and take a look if you are tired of the standard silicone band that comes with your Pixel Watch. We've got some new bands to check out. So let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, so first up, when you get your Google Pixel Watch 2, depending on the variation you get, the Sport Band, which is this rubber strap that comes on it, is very comfortable. But if you don't like the silicone straps, there are different options, which is great. So I've got a couple new straps here I want to show you. So we can go ahead and just pop off the existing band here. And we do that by just pressing in on the little button here and then sliding the strap towards you. So we'll go ahead and do that to take off the old strap. So we'll push down on that button and then slide off that strap, throw that off to the side. And then we're going to go ahead and do the same thing. So we'll press in on that button again and slide that strap towards you. Sometimes they'll get, this one's a little bit finicky. And we'll go ahead and throw that over there. So now we've just got our Pixel Watch here. And so with this, with these straps I got two of them. So as you can see, these are inspired by the Apple Alpine Loop straps, which are just, they're good straps. There's lots of adjustment. They're flexible. They've got decent hardware. So I picked up a couple of these and wanted to try them out. I've actually been wearing them for a couple weeks now, and they're super comfortable. They're great for just everyday wear. If you're going out hiking, anything active. So in order to install these, when we go ahead and look at the strap here, we've got the loop at this end, and then we have, you'll notice here, we've got the adjustments, and we've got two small spring bars underneath. So all you need to do is to go ahead and hook these in to your Pixel Watch. So one of the things that you will need, and I went over this in a previous video, I'll link it up above here, is there are these small adapters that you can purchase. So right now I have them on this leather strap. And what this does is this allows you to use any 20mm strap that you want with your Pixel Watch 2. So I will put a link in the description below where you can pick these up. I think they're about $12 to $15 on Amazon. So they just lock right in there. We'll go ahead and pop this one in here. There we go. So now you can see that we have the ability to put any 20mm strap on that we want. So we're going to take our new strap, and if you look on the bottom here, you'll see that there is a little spring bar, and we just pull that spring bar back, and we're just going to go ahead and put it on the underside of the watch, and then pull that spring bar down, and then we'll feel it lock in and give it a nice little tug there, make sure that that's locked in. And then we can go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. And actually, I just noticed I put this on. So we'll go ahead and pop this in the same way. So we'll put that into the little adapter, lock it in, make sure it latches. And there we go. And then you just easily slide this on, and then you can go ahead and pull that loop. As I said, there's many adjustments, so you don't have to worry about your wrist size. And there we have it. So this is actually two ways you can wear this. So this has the loops here. Some people like to have the loops on the outside as well. And so all we need to do that is to go ahead and switch the strap around here. So we can go ahead, pull this strap off. So you just pull down on the little tab there, pull down on that spring bar there. And then we've got the black one. So let's go ahead and throw the black one on there. And so these just slide down, and we'll go ahead and put this black one on. I think I like the green one better. They do come in different colors. I will put a link down below so you can take a look. I believe they come in like a bright orange. They have the green, the black, and I believe there's one other or two other colors. But I'll put that link in the description below so you can take a look for yourself and pick some up if you like. There we go. And we just want to make sure that that pin gets in there and locks. So we don't want our watch falling off. So we just slide it on there like so. And what I really like about these is you can literally do these one-handed. So you could just pop this thing on and then just pull this to where you want. And that's it. And then we have, that is the black one there. So hopefully you're enjoying this video. If you are, please make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of our new updates, and click the bell notification. I'll see you in the next one, and thanks again for watching.